What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a back to basics all about mascara and mascara application. So for me, mascara is really important. I feel like my eyes aren't complete without a good coat of mascara and something to blacken the lash line, make it look really strong, make it look really fierce. Like I've worked on my makeup hard because you know I have, and I want it to just look like pow. So mascara is important. Now, you need to invest in a good pair of lash curlers. For a long time I used a pair from Revlon. They were really good. But then I put my big pants on and bought myself the Kevyn Aucoin lash curlers, which I'll show in the demonstration. They're really great. The curve on them is really nice. They're well loved and used by makeup artists across the world, especially, Kevyn Aucoin was a world famous makeup artist, so his company and his brand really made 5-star products. I love this lash curler. It works great. You're going to curl the lashes. I usually will curl them and I'll look one way, curl for 4 curls, look the other, do the same, look in the middle and curl for 4 more, and then hold it for a second and then release. And you'll see that the eyelashes look really nice. They're upheld. A good lash curler is just kind of like a good bra. Just keeps it all in, lifts it all up. Count on your lash curler to really make your eyes look awake, bright, and full of life and ba-ba-boom. Then you need a good mascara. My favorite is from the drugstore, so that makes me happy because it's inexpensive. And it's the CoverGirl Total Tease Mascara. It has a great wand on it, easy to get in the inner corner, even easier to get in the outer corner because it has a special ball on the end of it with larger bristles to help make sure you coat every single hair. The formula is also really black. It does not flake, and even though I don't have the waterproof formula, I don't have to worry about smudging. So I'll go ahead and add a couple coats of that. I'll really concentrate on wiggling at the base of the lashes and bringing it all the way through to the tip of the lashes to make sure every lash gets covered, no man left behind. Okay, and that is what I have for mascara. Of course you can add mascara on the bottom lashes. In this demonstration I did not because I often, when I do a cat eye, I like to just have shadow on the bottom and not mascara. It just bugs me sometimes because I can feel them like sticking together if I have mascara on the bottom lashes, so I just didn't bother. But you can do that, and this mascara in particular is a really great one to just lightly cover the bottom lashes. One tip I do have with mascara, because I think this is something that happens to everyone to some degree, if you get a smudge, do not try to wipe it off when it's wet. It is like wiping street tar on the sidewalk and trying to like rub it off when it's wet. Weird analogy, but you get what I'm saying. Wait till it dries. It will literally flake off so easy. You can just take a little brush. I'll usually just keep one that's clean, and I'll just go wherever I have the little smudge and it will just kind of flake it off, and then no harm, no foul, you know? So we're all good there. There's a little tip, and I hope you enjoyed this back to basics. We'll be back with more. Consider subscribing, please, please, please. I have so many videos like this, and I'm really happy that I get to help at least some number of people out there with their mascara and their makeup all the time. It's so beautiful. So have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, bye. It's burning over there.
It's 1,000,000 degrees in here.
You can't see you. Give a life tip.
Drink water.
It's so hot in here. I was rushing through all of that. Yeah, I just got 5 done.
5?
Yeah.
Jeez, girl. Good job.
But it's so hot. I can't wait till it's
let's turn
winter.
this off.
Yeah.